Okay, so cousins on my YouTube side, clearly we need to talk about this right here. So come on in the room, grab your water, your mushroom coffee, whatever it is that you want to grab, go ahead and get it so we can get into this wig right here. So this wig is by Braided Wig Boss. This is their 30-inch knotless braided wig on a 13x6 brown Swiss lace front, handmade, realistic box braid wig. So the front of the wig is lace, but the back of the wig is a dome cap. It is made that way and it's spaced out like that so that the wig is not too thick, and I love that, y'all. Now look at these boxes, baby. That's clean. That's cleaner than zest. Honey, she put her foot in those parts, and I can never really get my parts to really just part right. You know, those are some good old Moses parts right there, man. It does come with baby hair as well. I'm going to be cutting most of that off. You will see in a second. That's the lace that I was telling you. So it is a lace front in the front part, but that's the dome cap. It's stretchy, you guys. It's a medium cap, but it has a nice elastic built into the cap. There are 2 combs off to the side with pride, and that will complete the construction of the wig. Now, as you can see here, these ends are already looking good. I'm gonna dip it anyways, but they already look good. Really, I could have wore this wig right out of the pack. I want to be very clear that I'm about to be extra on top of extra with the customizations that I'm about to do, okay? I didn't need to do any of them. You think I did? I didn't. I really just made an executive decision that I was gonna do the most, and I followed through on it. So that's where we are with that. But I could have cut the lace and been on my way, okay? Now, this is what I use to dip my braids and my braided wigs. It's basically a tea kettle. It's a boiling pot, and it's big enough, that one is, or like long wigs, long braids. You dip, and then you take a towel, and then you pull down. Go with gravity, okay? Go with the grain, and you really add that tension pull to it, and it just smooths out those ends, okay? And you can dip as far up the wig as you would like. Now I'm just gonna cut the lace. As you can see, I am cutting directly in front of the baby hair. Actually, you probably couldn't see that because my hand was in the way, as it is right now. Once again, great job, Mary. Well, just trust me that that's what I'm doing, okay? I'm not cutting behind the baby hair, as you can still see the baby hair. And if I was cutting behind it, I would have cut it off, and it's still right there. So I was in the front. Now I just took a little snip of the end, and I'm just gonna comb that baby hair out. Now, for me, when it comes to braid wigs, I have found that I like my grown woman hairs to be very short. Extremely short, like that short right there. Now I know you guys are thinking like that's barely nothing there, and that, my beautiful cousins, is the key to the seamless hairline that you're about to see. You see that right there? Doesn't that look good? Doesn't that look natural? Doesn't it? I think so. Now you are free to swoop. You can swoop, doop, doop all you want to. This is just how I like mine, okay? For my braid wigs. Now, if you have little flyaways, this is how you would tame them. Get your favorite mousse. You can wrap the wig after you do this. Put a little scarf on. You can set this under the dryer. You can do all of those things. I literally did not have to do that because that wig was braided so flawlessly. I had no flyaways, y'all. Straight up. I was just showing you what to do just in case you get a wig that is not as blessed. Now, you can do one of 2 things here. You can use the olive oil spray or the olive oil gel. Either one, it's not glue, so it will only give you maybe a 2-day hold. For me, that's long enough because at the end of one night, I'm taking my wig off, but I'm not swapping it. I chose to use the gel today because generally I use the spray. The gel is a lot less wet. You don't have to, you know, it's not like dripping down your face and all that stuff. You just press that into the lace. You can see how the lace is like disappearing. Yes, I really like to use the gel. Apply some pressure. Go do that all across the perimeter of the frontal. put your lace melt band on. I use 2 for added, you know, pressure. I like to press it down and run it over like our blessings. And you just let that sit for about 5 minutes or so. I am absolutely loving how this wig has turned out. This was very easy to work with. As you can see, those ends are looking lovely, nice and sleek, and that density is absolutely perfect for me. Now, this is another extra on top of extra step. I'm just going to define the middle part as well as the parts immediately perpendicular to the middle part. And as you can see, we got those parts looking Ajax clean. And bam. I mean, it's over with. Do you hear me? This wig is smacking. Y'all, this wig is a church wig. It's a revival wig. It's a Sunday school wig. It's a vacation Bible school wig. It's a Women's Day wig. It's a winter conference wig. This wig has made me pleased and proud to be a part of the wig community. And as Brother Alexander and Sister Sherelle once prophesied, you can wear this wig Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. People don't know that. Ladies and gents, we have a winner chicken dinner. This wig is so nice. I love it. Let me know in the comments. Go ahead and light them up. I want to know your thoughts about this wig, okay? And in the meantime, in between time, I wish you all peace, love, and light. Bye-bye.